Take a deep breath. Before the world calls for your attention, before the noise begins, give yourself these 5 minutes. You are here. You are alive. And you are not alone. Let us bring this new day to the Creator. Creator of light, we begin by looking up. We praise you for the gift of this breath and the mystery of a new beginning. We thank you for mercies that are new every morning, as sure as the rising sun. We glorify you for the beauty we will encounter today, in the kindness of a stranger, the strength in our limbs, and the quiet wonders of your creation. You are the source of all grace. We acknowledge that we cannot walk this day in our own strength alone. Creator, provide the endurance we need for the long hours and the patience we need for the interruptions. When our energy dips and our focus fades, remind us of the deep well of your grace that never runs dry. Let us be anchored in your power so that we do not just survive this day, but move through it with a quiet, steady confidence. Open our eyes to the people around us. In every conversation and every encounter, help us to be a reflection of your peace. May our words be seasoned with salt and our hearts be open to listen. Use us as instruments of comfort for someone who might be struggling in silence today. Let this 5-minute respite overflow from our hearts into the lives of everyone we meet, turning ordinary moments into sacred connections. In this moment of quiet, we set our intention. We choose trust over anxiety. We choose gratitude over complaint. We choose love over fear. We don't know what this day will bring, but we know who holds the day. We release the need to control every outcome, and instead, we rest in the assurance that we are guided, we are guarded, and we are known by name. If we carry shadows from yesterday, regrets, or missed opportunities, we lay them down now. Your forgiveness. Feel the slate wiped clean. You are beginning this day with a heart that is light, open, and ready. May the peace of the Creator go before you today. May His strength be your shield, and His love be your language. Go forth with purpose. This is your morning grace. Amen. If this moment of peace helped you today, consider subscribing to Orison for all reasons. Let's protect these 5 minutes together every day. Go in peace.